Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about a very important topic for the fitness enthusiasts and people who are in their weight loss journey. So if your weight is stuck, then please watch this video carefully because this is really going to help you. So this video is all about proteins. That means what happens when you don't take protein enough. That means if you are not meeting your daily requirements, then what will happen? And which protein you must take and what are the quantities of protein you must take in your daily requirement and how to fulfill them. And if you have any other question, just pop me up in the comment section below. So guys, let's start with it. So proteins are the building block of your body. That means if you are exercising daily or even not exercising, your body is in continuous stress. It is breaking and building daily. For that, you need protein in your daily life. And how much protein do you need? That I'll tell you. Take your weight and multiply it by 0.8. For example, my weight is 60. I will multiply it by 0.8. My daily protein requirement will be 48. So this much amount of protein I need if I am not working out at all. But what happened? When I am working out, I am breaking much more muscles when I am working out. That means muscle soreness or some kind of pain post exercise happen when you break down the muscles. So this happen because you are not taking enough protein in your diet. When will you learn that you are not having enough protein? First, lethargicness. Second, hair are falling. Third, nails are getting brittle. Your nails, you will see the white lines in the nails. They will start appearing if you will not take enough protein. So I was not reaching my dietary requirements. My weight was struck to 64, but I wanted to reduce, but I was not able to reduce at all. Then I planned that I should go for supplements. So there comes in action as it is atom isolate whey protein. I'm taking it since a month and believe me, I have lost 4 kgs. Right now my weight is 60 and it is not struggling anymore. The point is I'm not working out that much. I'm working out only like 40 to 50 minutes daily and my energy levels are high. My hair fall is stopped completely. My hair quality is also improving. That means my body is responding to the protein I am taking. So as it is whey protein specially made for athletic people. That means if you work out daily or you are athlete or do some kind of physical activity, then this is the right protein you must take. I'll tell you why. Now comes the quality of the product, because I've researched a lot, came to know about it because it was a like huge decision I was making before starting it. Okay, so I'll tell you all about it. So it is a atom protein by as it is. So the most important thing about it is it gives you 27 grams of protein in just one scoop. So my daily requirement is 48 gram. For normal work I need 48 grams. So more than half of it is given by this, like 27 grams of protein. This pack is giving me in just one scoop. Okay, and 5.7 gram of BCAA that helps in maintaining your energy level. As I told you, my energy level are up now. 12.2 grams of EAA and 4.5 grams of L-glutamine. So these are the things, basic things that is giving, and the most important quality that I liked about it, it has extra digestive enzymes that helps in proper digestion. Because when you take protein, you sometimes feel bloating and all, and believe me, I am not feeling any kind of bloating or anything, because this is the brand I choose for, and it comes under two amazing flavor. One is chocolate flavor and other is vanilla vanilla. My favorite is chocolate. This protein powder is favorite of Sonu Sood as well as Ravi Dhaiya, who recently won Olympic silver medal. And also to provide much more authentication and genuinity to the product, they also provide two-step verification. It is GMP certified as well as third party lab tested, and also free from any kind of doping ingredients by NADA and WADA. So this is the one you must choose if you are planning to increase your daily protein intake, because protein is much more required for your daily requirements. The soon you understand, the better you will lose weight. I hope you will like this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. And if you have any questions regarding protein, message me up. I'll definitely try to answer it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice day.